s10 forums, Matt here. I'm having this issue with the noise that I discovered this morning. It's kind of like near the muffler and like the transmission is where I'm hearing it the most, and it's kind of going in and out. I'll see if you can hear it with this camera. It's like a rattle noise. It's like, I don't know if that sounds horrible or not. It just seemed new to me. This morning it was shaking the whole car, the whole truck. So had an issue, thinking it might be something wrong with it. But you know, if you guys can hear that as well, and tell me what you guys think about it. I really appreciate any help any one of you guys can help me with. So thank you.